Alright, this video is making a small business website using a free downloadable template. Before we get started, you need to install the Elementor plugin, that's the page builder, and the recommended theme is Astra. It's made by the same people that make Elementor. I have here my site that I'm going to install the template on, but before I do that, I suppose I should go to my site where I have the templates available, step by step, wp.com, and go to templates. And down here there's this single page small business. There's 4 color schemes. You can view it, and you'll see there's a header, a section for video or a photo, services, an about section, contact section, gallery, and you can remove or add sections, but this is just good for customers to be able to find you and contact you. If that will suffice, then let's go and download the template. Right click, save link as, and I'm just going to download it to my downloads folder, and I'll just drag it onto my desktop for ease of use. Now I'm going to go to my site. I'm going to make a new page. Well, before I make a new page, I'll go to templates. Just below Elementor, you'll see templates. Click that. Import templates. Choose file. And here it is here. Import now. Alright, so here we have the template that I just installed. So let's make a new page. Add new, and this is going to be single page test, and you'll see over here the Astra settings. If you have the Astra theme installed, you can actually disable title, featured image. You can do right here in this page settings, you can do no sidebar and full width stretched so it matches the demo. Now I'm going to save draft or publish, one of the two, and then edit with Elementor. That brings up the Elementor page builder. Here the templates folder. Let's go to my templates. Here we have the template that we downloaded, single page, professional blue, insert, and looks like it imported well. So you go ahead and you change the sections with all the information that you need. This is just how to get started on using the templates. I'm not going to go into making all the adjustments and things, but you click update, exit out of Elementor. Now you'll see when you go to the page, it should look exactly like the demo, which it does. So good, that's how you get started with the single page small business templates. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments. Any requests for a specific template, let me know. Also, there are other tutorial videos at step-by-step wp.com. Thanks.